My video guide will help you to get rid of the adware with a very long name. It's named Free Xbox Codes 2021 Xbox Gift Card Codes. It's a special browser extension specifically for the Google Chrome browser. It promises to generate Xbox video gaming brand gift card codes for free. But it is classified as adware due to running intrusive advertisement campaigns and delivering various adverts. Additionally, the software within this classification usually has data tracking abilities that are employed to spy on the user's browsing activities. Adware products are seldom downloaded or installed intentionally, hence they are also categorized as potentially unwanted applications. Adware enables the placement of pop-up, banner, coupon, full-page, survey, and other types of intrusive ads, typically on any visited website and different interfaces. So I strongly advise that you do not tolerate this extension and get rid of it immediately. So how to remove suspicious and unwanted third-party extensions from Google Chrome? The answer to this question is pretty simple and straightforward. Go to the menu of your Google Chrome, click on More Tools, choose Extensions. So you'll find this extension as active. You may deactivate it, and basically this should fix the issue. Of course, you may also remove the extension completely. Don't forget checking your available applications through Finder. If you locate some items that are also suspicious, remove them. Combo Cleaner is a great tool for your Mac because it will help you to establish other hidden threads that may slow down your Mac performance. So I recommend downloading it on the page combocleaner.com and then scanning your Mac computer with the program to make sure it is free of any other concealed adware, malware, or browser hijackers. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and at the end of scan the program gives you the full report about the security situation with your Mac computer. So in the antivirus section you will see the total number of threats found. You may click on Review Results, so this will show you the exact names of threats and where exactly these threats are located. How to get rid of these threats manually? You may click on this icon that says Show in Finder. So this will show you its location in Finder. You may right-click on each specific thread and move it to the trash. You may do the same thing with all other threads. However, some threads can only be removed with Combo Cleaner Premium version, so consider purchasing this premium version to get your Mac fully cleaned and protected.